There are thousands of ways to make money online, but most of them are a waste of time because you are just starting out from zero, or you don't have any prior experience, you don't know how to scale through the process, you don't know how to leverage on every opportunities that comes around these skills or this business model that you want to use to make money online, right? So in this video today, I broke down 5 smartest ways that you can use to make money in the online space right now if you kickstart your journey. And also, I did not just walk you through all of these 5 processes. There's a resources that's going to guide you, the community that's going to put you on track, that's going to hold your hands throughout the process from you starting as a beginner or an intermediate to go to a pro, right? So all I want you to do right now is to like this video, share with your friend, subscribe to this channel while I walk you through all of these 5 business models that you can start up online right now and you can use to do some certain income for yourself in the online space. Number 1, which is everything that everybody knows to make money online as a beginner, which is freelancing, right? You see, freelancing is one of the easiest way to make money online right now, but it's very competitive. But all I want you to know that if you have the right skills and you have the right positioning, you can scale in this particular space and you can do a whole lot for yourself right here in the online space, right? But if you are just starting out and you don't have any idea of the skills to sell, how to create your accounts, how to buy review, how to learn this business model about freelancing, both Fiverr and Upwork, or you are lost, you don't know where you can get an account set up or how you can put it up right there that's going to attract clients, there is a community that I just partner with and they are going to hold your hands through all of this process, from helping you to create an account, buying review or your account to scale you up, to even if you want to learn skills or probably you want a coach that can help you from one step to another. You are going to join Digital Nad. As you can see, their WhatsApp number on the screen right now, or you click the first link in the description of this video to send a direct message to Digital Nad. This is a community, a freelance community that have the results that can help you scale your freelance journey as a beginner. As for me, I'm not teaching beginner. I only take you from intermediate process to the pro level, where I'm going to show you how you can get clients outside freelance platform. But the very first step is for you to learn the basic knowledge, learn the skill, learn how to use marketplaces and all of these things. And that's where Digital Nad comes in. So they are people that have the result that I can trust, and I can recommend to you that these are the people that can help you get a real result as a beginner, or you are looking for a way to scale up your income as a new freelancer. So they can help you with your account creation, account optimization, reviews, or even coach you step by step on how you can go from one level to another. And once you start getting results, you can now scale up with me right here on this channel with my other resources, right? So this is very first process that you can do right now that you can leverage on to make money for yourself in the online space if you are just starting out and you want to go into freelancing both on Fiverr and Upwork. I would like you to join Digital Nad. Their number showing right there on the screen, or click the first link in the description of this video. Now, the number 2 model that you can start up right now, which I'll make video on this channel, is affiliate market. You see, affiliate marketing is one of the easiest way as well that you can use to make money or make a living for yourself in the online space, because this doesn't require you to create a digital product or any forms of product at all. All you need to do is basically just pick up a done for you product and you sell it at a commission rate, right? So you don't need to stress yourself. I'll make a complete video on this channel where I walk you through how to start affiliate marketing right now, and this is going to take you from how you can solve people's problem while you earn commission in returns of that, right? So if that makes sense to you, just drop a comment in the comment section that you want the affiliate marketing video, and I'm going to send out to you, or click the 3rd link in the description of this video, because the 2nd link is going to redirect you to my own WhatsApp community where you can ask questions and reach out to me for any personal information that you want to share. So if that being said, let's go to number 3. And number 3 is one of the craziest things that I always mention in the online space, is you selling something like digital products, right? You see, digital products is one of these business model that you can leverage on right now, and you can create for yourself, then you can scale it up as a business. Now, it's simple. All you need to do is to think deeply about what you know that other people don't know, and you can package it in forms of PDF, courses, templates or guide that people can buy, and they can get the information about your experience or about your knowledge, so they can replicate the results for themselves. It's something basically simple. I've made a video on that on this channel as well, where I walk you through how you can create your first digital product, what type of digital product that you can create and sell, and how to sell it, how to market, and how to go with it in the online space. Easy peasy. You don't have to be worried about, you don't have to get lost about anything. I'll break everything down to you that you can learn and you can master. You see, I've shared 3 powerful ways that you can kickstart your journey online if you are looking for a sustainable income in the online space and you just want to get the information right and you want to do what is required. There is no amount of result that is guaranteed, because this process are not get rich quick business. Even the community that I've recommended to you, they are not get rich quick business. You have to do what is required to get a certain result for yourself with time and your effort. Right now, the fourth one that I'm going to talk about is basically you be a social media manager. Right, you see, social media manager is not just you trying to help people post on their social media or any of those stuff. You can as well put yourself as a company that help people to grow their social media accounts, build followers, and all of those stuff. So it's something basically simple. Is you just handling this through a particular platform that is called the Zero SMS. You see, Zero SMS is a platform where you can buy phone number for verification, and also they have an option for Zero Boost, where you can just click the 4th link in the description of this video to get access to Zero SMS. So you can sign up your account, fund your account, then you go over to the Zero Boost session. This is where you can buy Instagram followers and all of other social media activities to the account that you are trying to build, engagement, and all of those stuff. Right, you see, businesses or all of these startup or all of these new business owners, they are looking for engagement on their post, thinking they can go viral, and all of these things is what they can pay you for. All you need to do to start that particular business model is to sign up on TikTok, Instagram, and all of those stuff. So you build your page so people can trust you and they can get to hire you to help them build their page, and you can even take it off on a monthly basis by giving them a specific result that they can achieve in growing with followers and all of those stuff. Right, so we have 4 different models right now, and if all of this be said, I want you to drop your first opinion and the one that you want to try out right now, and this can help me give you more resources about how you can scale through this one that you want to start, or the one that you choose to be with over the time. Right now, the 5th business model that I feel like and I can recommend to you that you can join right now is content creation. You see, content creation is very, very easy and very, very easy to do. Right, all you need is your phone or anything. If you don't have any fancy light like me or anything like this, it's something you can basically shoot in the daylight, where you can use your window side and you can shoot a good quality video, and this can keep you going in the online space while you post on your social media accounts and all of those things. Businesses can get to pay you to shoot an UGC video for them, to talk about their brand, collaborate with you, give you their money to talk about all of these things, and you can get to do a living for yourself with all of this process. Right, you see, these 5 business models that I just shared with you right now can help you go from zero to a little to big source of income every other month in the online space. And all you need to do now is to start somewhere and just grow with it. But the very first one, like I mentioned, is you starting as a freelancer. If you don't have any skill, if you don't know how to create accounts, if you don't know how the freelance space works, both on Fiverr and Upwork, you don't know how to optimize your accounts, you don't know how to get review, you don't know how to rank, you don't have any knowledge. So join Digital Nerd with the first link in the description with this video. They are a community that I trust, and they can help you as a beginner to grow your career in freelancing around that niche. So when you become a pro, then you can follow me up very, very well on this channel. So that's why you have to like this video, share with your friend as well, then subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification, so anytime I drop the videos that might help you, you'll be the first person that YouTube will be notified about the video, so you can come over it and leverage on the knowledge before the general public. Right, so the second one that I mentioned is affiliate marketing, and I said I made a video about that, which you can request for in the comment section of this video, or you check it out in the description of this video. And the third one is digital products. I've said that already, and I've made a video tutorial on this channel as well. And the fourth one is you building social media for people and businesses to grow their online income, in the online space as well, which I'm going to leave a link to Zero SMS down in the screen of this video, so you can get to sign up your accounts, fund your account, and start helping businesses growing their account. But before you do that, make sure you grow your own so you can get people that can trust you to give you their money to help them work. And the last one is content creation, right? You see, all of these 5 categories can help you scale, and if you take it as a business, and you can get to scale with it, right? So if all of this being said, guys, I will see you in the next video. Just let me know the one you are starting right now in the comment section, and I can send you more resources about them. All right, so join Digital Nerd now, and I will see you in other videos where we talk more about source of income and how to grow our space in the online space. Remain a subscriber of this channel and be at peace.